Hello everyone, how are you today? Well, looks like Arm and I finally fought our way through the storm. It was a trying day, trying weekend for everyone, but we made it work. Got up at sunup this morning and started plowing the driveway. Everyone was kind of plowing out. You can see how high the snow is. Comes up to about there on me. Look at that. We did this about 3 times. It was around the clock operation. Around the clock. But we're all cleared up. Nice straight shot right out. Yeah, easy to walk in. It was a lot of work. The wind's still kicking up. You can see the moon up there. You can hear the wind. That's a cold front coming. Plowed out all this morning with the snowblower. I just ran another pass over it right now just to keep it clear, but I went about to here around the second time. I did all this morning. All this morning I did. All the way down. With my snowblower. This is the trail that I carved out. Narrower, but it's still passable. I don't know what's going on here. That couch ain't gonna make it tomorrow for garbage day. This is about as far as I could go. Snowplow came and plowed this out. You can see where I stopped. Convenience store not open? No. Convenience store must have closed early. I was out here in the street too, trying to keep the road wider. The plow comes through and you lose all that depth there. So I came through with my snowblower and, tried to keep the street nice and wide because tomorrow's garbage day. Right there, I guess. Oh well. Everyone's pretty much clear and plowed out right now. Coming up closer to my house. A little bit of room, even if it's just a small snowblower width, is important. Some cars go over here. See, I got mine pretty much to the curb. Look how much wider the street is. That's the curb right there. So I got a full lane width. I actually came out right now with the snowblower. And bit. The city left a whole mess of it right there. So I cleaned all that up. Yeah. And that's my sidewalk. And as you can see, it's pretty much good all the way down. So we're ready to rock and roll. So that's it. Snowmageddon 2019. And over a foot of snow in some areas. The airport reported 7 to 8 inches or 6, 7 inches, whatever, something around there. But you can see we easily got over a foot in some areas. And you had to get this cleared off because tomorrow it's all going to freeze. And then you won't have any chance of getting it cleaned up. So, you know, you got to get now while the getting's good. All right, over and out.